Welcome to the Open World Forum 2010. I'm here with Cedric Thomas, who is the CEO of the OW2 consortium. Cedric, can you, for those watching who maybe don't know, can you tell us what is OW2?
Hi, Dave. Yes, of course. OW2 is an open source organization. We like to perceive ourselves as one of the top 4 organizations in the world, along with the Eclipse, the Linux, and the Apache Foundations. That is an open source organization with diversified code base. We do not concentrate on one particular product line or one particular technology. We aim at developing a code base of components to populate the enterprise information systems. So our components include frameworks, basic components, messaging services, middleware, and generic applications. So the consortium itself is now totally independent and was founded in 2007.
Can you tell us a little bit about the structure of the organization? What do you offer your members? What do you have to offer to people who aren't members?
Yes, to understand OW2, you need to figure out our components. I mean, the components of the organization. First of all, we have the code base. Without the code base, we don't exist. The code base is our raison d'être. Then this code base is developed by a community. This community work, I mean, the people in the community work together in the framework of activities. The whole thing stands together because it works within the framework of a governance system, and we're independent because our members pay the fees. So our code base and our projects include about 80 projects. We have 60 members approximately. And our activities include the project themselves, the initiatives, which are joint efforts by members to combine projects in order to address market needs. And we are also developing local chapters.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, can you tell us a little bit about some of the bigger projects that you're dealing with now in recent times, and what are your priorities for the near future?
Well, we have had an evolution recently. Our priority in the 2009 and 2010 season, which is last year, was to redefine our technology direction. As you can understand, we are an aggregation of heterogeneous projects, and we wanted to find a way for all these projects to work together. So that effort resulted in a launch in May 2010 of what we call the Open Source Cloudware Initiative, which is now very successful and which is gathering about over 20 participants. Our main project for the, I would say, the 2010-2011 season is now to increase the quality of the code base. So we're going to implement tools to check the IP or the licenses and to check the quality of the code itself. So and we will gradually incorporate this in our governance, which means that the project that we will consider mature will be the project that will be able to provide all these reports. So the idea is to make sure that the OW2 code base is trusted by other users and systems integrators.
Okay, thank you very much. I think that was a pretty good introduction.
Thank you, Dave.
So, goodbye from the Open World Forum 2010, and à bientôt on Intel and TV. Hey.